So any further questions you have?
Last question.
Yeah.
The current service which I'm providing is media buying and funnel building, like copywriting, building
All
funnel,
right. All right.
strategizing. And I see a lot of competition, and I'm also fearful and I'm afraid that what is the future? Like, what service is gonna be there, or is this gonna be saturated? So, according to you, which service should I focus or prepare myself for the coming days? So that even if paid media gets saturated or it gets automated, I have something in backup in my bag so that I can survive. I should
All
not
right.
get outdated.
All right. So you need to focus on skills which will be relevant in the coming 5 to 10 years. Only then, out of those skills, there is a chance for you to build a sustainable business. Because anyone can build a successful business for the time being. The real question is whether that business will sustain for more and more months to come. Okay, only sustainable businesses will give you consistent amount of money. There is no point in getting
Right.
one deal, getting 3 lakhs and then getting no deal at all. Correct?
Correct.
You have to keep on getting deals, you have to keep on getting consistent money, only then it is of some value. So for getting consistent money, you need to build a business model which is relevant in the long term, in 5 to 10 years. So if you ask me, with experience, right, so digital marketing, it is there currently in the market, and you can optimize it, make use of it. But in the long term, slowly one thing is getting automated, everything is getting
Yes.
automated. So in the end, it comes down to how strategical you are when it comes to business.
Yeah.
In the end, it comes down to how strategic you are in business development. So you have to be conceptual, you have to work on your soft skills, communication skills, strategic skills, and all that. But keeping that aside, digital marketing, you can do it as of now, but you have to pick skills like, for example, let's just say agriculture. I know you have no interest in agriculture, right?
Like my father has a background of organic farming, so I have a good knowledge about that.
Oh, you do have a knowledge, right? So these are emerging fields. Then
Yeah.
again, agriculture is there. Then again, cyber security is there. Under cyber security, there is something called ethical hacking. You might have seen my stories and all, right? So these businesses that are going out there, tech giants especially, making billions of dollars, right? The number one thing that these companies face issues in is security, cyber security. Correct? And there's a huge gap in there. So huge gap means there's a huge demand there. So if you're being the
Right.
supply to that huge demand, it only means big money for you. So pick skills like,
Mhm.
you can switch your business models to cyber security, ethical hacking, or agriculture, farming, and things like that. Things that are relevant in the coming
Mhm.
5 years, 5 to 10 years. There's a good scope there.